What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and just as you saw in the thumbnail, we are working on a 2020 and we're doing a factory dealer installed accessory, the rear wheel well liners on this 2020 Super Duty. If you guys don't know what to do, watch this video. And we got to fix a little flatty, but we're going to do these wheel well liners first, so let's stick around and have some fun. All right, fam. Oh my gosh. So this customer came in and wanted some maintenance items taken care of and to install these rear wheel well liners. So I have yet to install a set of these. This is going to be my first one, let alone for a 2020. It came with assorted materials and destructions, just as you guys saw when I did my rear and front mud flap. So we're going to go through that kind of similar, except we're not at the homestead, we are at the job site here at work. So let me get myself set up over here on the back side of the truck. We're going to start with the driver's rear and we'll see how this installation goes. And yeah, let's get your wheel liners in. Alright, we're going to start off by cutting these zip ties here and separating these two halves. I think there's one more on the side over here. Let's get this guy clipped, and now we'll have our instructions here. So let's open up this and see what we're working with. Alright, let's see what we're looking at here. We have 2017 and up, A and B. We got some clips, some screws, looks like a little trim clip. They're going to say we're going to need tools required. It looks like a 7mm, some quarter drive, torque wrench possibly, probably not. But yeah, let's go through this and see if we can get your rear wheel liners installed. This is tire removed for clarity here. We are not removing the tires, so note to yourself. You can if you want, but not necessary. Alright, for step one, it wants us to grab our C's in the bag, and our C's are looking like that. So let's get a C out. This is a C. Let's make sure, are they different? Nope, they're both the same. C wants us to install right there. So if that is the side of the vehicle, we're on the other side. That's the front. On the driver's side, here's the front. So we are going to install that in that hole. In fact, why don't we go around and just put ours in the passenger side, since it is showing the passenger side. We're going to have to do it anyway, so we'll come down here and we'll put our C in for the passenger side. So the next one, it wants us to go ahead and put another C in, which is looking like that hole right there. That's what it's looking like to me. Yep. So we kind of got this plate right here. We got this plate right here, and I'm looking at that hole right there. So let's go get another C. Go ahead and put our C in driver's side. Come back over to the passenger side and, oops, sorry. And put our C in that hole. And then don't forget to put your last C-clip on both the driver's and passenger side in the front. I like how they clip in. They seem nice and secure. I already have these on my truck. They came from the factory like that. So now it is saying to do both sides. So we are going to now install the wheel well liner for the passenger side first, but we'll do the driver's side since we're over here. And then we got some screws and some more screws. All right, let's get this thing fitted up in here. Okay, so I don't really know offhand how to tell which one's left and right, but the back part that is going to face back here by the tire, if I can show you guys, like right where that plate is, if I can try to steady it, like this line right here is kind of corresponding to this line right here, so I'm going to put the wheel well liner in here like this. You know, I'll fit it in here and then, you know, re-secure it with the fasteners. So let's see if I can get it over the tire here. Can I do this with one hand? Got it up in there. Okay. Just gotta tuck it up in the wheel well lip. Okay, I got it in. Don't be afraid to actually work it around this lip all the way around. You might have to manipulate it back here. I couldn't really show you with one hand, but you can see my holes are lining up, and I got some holes there and one there and a couple more here and down there. So all right, it next wants us to take a E and a D. So what does our E and D look like? E is going to be the plastic trim clip, so that's looking like an E, and then our D is going to be this guy. So we are going to, obviously we can't put the trim clip in that hole, so we're going to have to put the trim clip in this hole, pop it in, and then we're going to use our 7 milli to drive that home. Let's get the correct setup here. We'll just loosely install it. Okay, and then it is going to want us to get another D and E, and we're going to put an E here, right there. Sorry, that was kind of loud. And then we are going to screw in a D here, and we are definitely not going to be able to use my gun for that one. And then vice versa, we are going to put another D and E back here too, with trim clip. Oh, come on, baby. Ugh, man, I can't get that one in. Oh, get ready to push, because that's definitely a bugger one right there. I'm gonna have to put you down. Or can I put you on the tire? I can put you on the tire. There we go. And then another 7 milli right here. I'll go ahead and get these ones screwed down. Fairly easy install. Okay, come over here to our, and then we got this one here. Okay, so now we have the driver side installed. Let's go ahead and put the right side in, and I'll show you, with me not holding the camera, how I put it in. Alright folks, so that's pretty much all that entails with installing factory rear wheel well liners. It wasn't too bad of a job. Make sure to drop me a comment in the comment section if anybody, did you install yours? Did they come from the factory like mine did? This is a 2020 with about 5,500 miles on it. Pretty much around the same amount of miles I got. So, okay, tell me what you guys think. And as always, make sure to like, comment, sub, share. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next Friday.